Hello everyone, welcome to our English speaking practice video. Today we will work on improving our speaking skills. We will use the pattern, look forward to something to help you express your anticipation clearly and confidently. Let's get started. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to meeting you. I am looking forward to seeing my friends. I am looking forward to trying the new restaurant. I am looking forward to my birthday. I am looking forward to reading that book. I am looking forward to learning a new language. I am looking forward to meeting my newborn baby. I am looking forward to playing soccer this weekend. I am looking forward to my family reunion. I am looking forward to the hiking trip. I am looking forward to the graduation ceremony. I am looking forward to meeting my new colleagues. I am looking forward to the fitness challenge. I am looking forward to the charity event. I am looking forward to redecorating my room. I am looking forward to the gardening project. I am looking forward to trying new recipes. I am looking forward to the theater performance. I am looking forward to visiting my grandparents. I am looking forward to the photography session. Keep practicing these sentences, and soon you'll feel more comfortable expressing your interests in English. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.